Hey, what's going on guys? Today I'm going to show you how to play High and Dry by Radiohead. It's not super difficult, there's no bar chords. The hardest part is just, it requires a little bit of muting with your fingers as you're playing, but it generally feels pretty natural. Alright, let's get right into it. Alright, so first let's go over the little intro that happens further up here on the neck. So we're going to grab the second string from the top on the 11th fret, and then we're going to grab the third string from the bottom on the 13th fret. And this is the only shape that we're going to need to hold for this entire intro. The only caveat is with your pointer finger, you want to just barely rest it against that top string so that it's muted. And then you also want to lay it so that it kind of mutes the string right below. And here we're going to go up, down. And it's critical that you start with an up strum because otherwise I promise you it's going to mess you up. Then we're going to slide this exact same shape back 2 frets. And then here we're going to go up, down. Then we're going to slide back up to the 11th and 13th fret. And then we're going to do the exact same thing, same strumming pattern, and then we're going to drop back. Except we're going to drop back 4 frets this time. But again, it's going to be the same exact strumming pattern. After that, we're going to want to just slightly adjust our pointer finger so that now when we hit that top string, it'll ring out. And then I don't have a super structured strumming pattern for this part, but you kind of just go up, down a few times. And then we slide it back up to the 11th and 13th, and we just do that entire thing a second time. So in the context of the full intro, that last little bit should look and sound like this. And then you slide it back up and you do the exact same thing again. After we've done that twice, we can come up the neck and it's just going to be some open chords for the verse. So the first one is going to look like this. We're just grabbing the second and third string from the top on the 4th fret, and then we're going to grab the third string from the bottom on the 2nd fret. And this verse is just 3 open chords, so I'm just going to go over the 3 chords first, and then I'll give you the strumming pattern. So the second chord is just going to be grabbing the 2 middle strings on the 2nd fret. And then the last chord is just going to be an E major, so we can just move those 2 fingers up a string each and then drop our pointer finger onto the 3rd string from the bottom, 1st fret. So then the strumming pattern that we can do on all of these chords is going to be down, up, down, up, down. And we can do that strumming pattern on all of the chords, except for the E major, we're just going to do that pattern twice. So the verse should look and sound just like this. And then it starts over. And that's the whole song, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that helped. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll try to respond as best as I can. Thank you guys again so much, and I'll see you in the next one.